Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or uninstall the McAfee WebAdvisor from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select apps, and then on the right side, you want to select installed apps. In the search apps field, you want to type in WebAdvisor, all one word, and best result should come back with WebAdvisor by McAfee. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to that entry and select uninstall. It will say this app ends related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then we're going to go ahead and just select no thanks, just uninstall it. And then once that is done, select done, close out of here, and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.